Hey guys, so today I wanted to talk about, you might like the title, Surviving Small Town Friendly. How to move from a small town. I'm from Forest City, North Carolina. I'll give you a few minutes to Google where that is. And I grew up there. I went to college for a few years in Charlotte, which is just like the next major town. And then I came back home. So we just recently moved a few months ago from North Carolina to Texas. So I wanted to give some tips on how to move, how to relocate, things I learned in the experience. And here we go. Number one, make a plan. You can't go nowhere if you don't have no plan. Make a plan, honey. Sit down, write it down, plan it out. Put a date to it. Say, by such and such date, I'm gonna be fully moved to whatever town. I say set a date because that's gonna keep you going. That's gonna keep you motivated. I'm sorry, I ain't got no selfie-stick today. That's gonna keep you motivated and keep you focused on your goal to move. Treasuring all the kids are running over here. Number two, get your resume together. Yes, have somebody look over your resume. Get it up to date. You can leave your current address, but you will run into, when you start interviewing, they will ask you, are you in that town? Or, when can you get there? Whenever I first started searching and stuff, I figured out that some of these jobs were immediate, and I was still in the planning stages, so some fell through, some worked out, whatever, but update your resume, get your references together and your people, because, just give people alerts like, hey, I'm going to use you as a reference on my resume. If somebody calls you, let them know. Don't put nobody down talking about they were your supervisor and y'all both was doing the same job. At least let the people know what's going on. You need you a solid, I would say, 6 people, because things happen in people's lives and some people just don't answer their phones and some people don't look at their emails. So get you 6 go-to people that know how to talk and can put on their, customer service voice and can give you a good reference. Make sure these people are trustworthy and loyal. Number 3, research where you're going. Please research where you're going. You need to know so many things about where you're going because you've never been there, maybe, or you never lived there fully. So what I did was I researched San Antonio. I researched the schools. I researched everything from, just a good Google search, or go on Pinterest. Reasons to move to San Antonio, reasons to move to Charlotte. Just Google it and see what people have out there. Read all the reviews, good or bad, and then take into account the number. If there's only 5 reviews and 3 of them are bad, you might want to take that into consideration. If one, everybody that got pissed off wrote a review, or it really is that bad of a place. So read all the reviews, research, and then, what is this, number 4? Is this number 4? I don't know. Anyway, Next step, after you research the place you're going to, go for a visit. You ain't gotta stay a month. You ain't gotta stay 2 weeks. Stay 2 or 3 days and see, what you like, what you don't like. Go out and see the town, like get a rental car or a Uber or whatever you want to do, but some kind of form of transportation, and go out and see, not the sites. Don't go to the tourist sites. Go to the outskirts. Just look around. Like here in San Antonio, like where we live is 30 minutes maybe from downtown, but we are still like in driving distance to Walmart, Family Dollar, little stuff like that. Like you don't want to get too far out, or you just want to know your surroundings. After you do that visit, because I didn't do no visit, I just jumped in first. Hey, what's that time now? Yeah, never been here, but hey, look at God. So I would say reach out. I guess this is 5. I didn't number this. If you keeping up with the numbers, whatever. Reach out to people that you know there. I know only one person in San Antonio when I came, and of course I reached out to her and stuff like that. I reached out to people that were in like Austin, even like Dallas, just in general, people that I know travel a lot and stuff, and I reached out to them just like, hey, how you doing? I'm thinking about moving out that way. How do you like it? That type of thing. And just see what they say. And the next thing that I did was I started applying for jobs. What? Why are you worried about that? You're supposed to be playing. Why are you worried about that? You're supposed to be playing. I done lost our train of thought because my kids is like hollering from the playground, probably 50 feet away. Anyway, you should start applying for jobs, lots of jobs. I mean, if you're already working, then see if that company has headquarters or some kind of option to transfer. That would be the first thing I would do if you're already working, or if you have worked for a company and you're in good standing, then of course reach out to them and let them know that you're relocating and you wanted to rejoin the company. If you will know if you're on good terms for rehirement and stuff like that. You'll know, trust me. Also be prepared for like the phone calls. I missed a lot of calls because I just don't be answering like outside numbers. And the job that I actually came down here to do, the hiring manager, he had called me 2 weeks. It was 2 weeks before I checked my voicemail. That he said you keep calling him something, so go play, or you can go back in the house. Go play, or you can go back in the house. What's wrong with you? If you want them to. Oh my God. I'm just going to try to get through this YouTube video without my kids having nervous breakdowns or me having nervous breakdowns. You know how this mom likes to be. Pray for a mother. Pray for a mother. Anyway, so, yeah, apply for the jobs. Apply for a bunch of different jobs, even jobs that you just, may be interested in a little bit. You just want to put yourself out there. Apply for the jobs and make sure your resume fits the jobs. And another thing, I'm trying to help y'all. Lord, I'm trying to help y'all. get out of whatever small town you're in that you don't want to be in. Make sure your resume matches the job. Make sure you read the job description. I was applying for so many jobs. People was calling me and I was having to like write down notes like what the job was about and stuff like that. Like, so I didn't say nothing crazy. You know how it is. So, another thing that I found was a good resource here in Texas. They have Texas relocation specialists, and I'm gonna try to find a link to the lady who was assisting me or whatever. But these are people who are trained, and they have, you know, like I guess contracts or something with the apartment agencies, and sometimes they can get you better rates, or you can get in touch with a realtor and you can you know, talk it out with them if you're buying a home. Another thing, going back to like research, if you have kids, you want to research the school district. You want to research like the charter schools and all that stuff. We ran into an obstacle with my daughter's birthday in North Carolina. She was old enough to go to Head Start or pre-K, like she went to a regular school for free. And when we came here, her birthday she was like too young. So even though she turned 4, she's home with mother. Yeah, pray for me. Check on your stay-at-home mom friends. So it's a transition for her and for me. And she's used to being in school and functioning and having a schedule. And I'm not used to having a mini version of me telling me what to do. So yeah, let me get back on topic. Anyway, check out the schools and stuff. I'll do another YouTube later about moving with kids and how to talk to your kids about moving, like long distances, training schools and stuff like that, and give you some tips on like what we did. So then another thing that I did was I joined a bunch of, you know, groups like on Facebook and, well, mainly Facebook. I joined a bunch of mom groups. I joined stay-at-home mom groups. I joined, my favorite group, Melanin Moms of San Antonio. I think I said it right. Anyway, I will put a link in the bio or description, whatever the slang word is for it on YouTube. I'll put a link to the group, so if somebody's out there and you are a melanin mom and you are in San Antonio, or you are thinking about coming to San Antonio, then you should definitely join the group. But I joined groups, like interest groups and stuff on Facebook. I do a lot of marketing for my travel agency, so I joined every kind of group you can think of on Facebook just to get myself out there, to get familiar with the areas and stuff like that, because San Antonio is much bigger than where small town friendly. And it was moms of Cibolo, moms of Northeast, moms of Southside, like, so you I just sort of joined all kinds of groups. And as now that we've moved and settled, these little kids is running from the dogs. And the dogs are on leash. Anyway, now that we got settled, I, you know, dropped out of or unfollowed the groups that aren't in my area, or the ones that had like mean, rude, angry people in them. Like, I don't know if it's like a mom thing, but some of these people is rude. I don't know if it's because I'm a small town girl. Some of these people is rude. But anyway, whatever floats your boat. So I joined groups and I just talk to people when I'm out and about, and with the job that I had, I would come in contact with a lot of people doing tax prep. So I would just talk to people and ask them, how do they like it and stuff, because they always had questions for me, because I guess they would hear my accent, and the first question they say, "You're not from here, are you?" No, I'm not. So get used to that and don't get offended. In the city, people don't really pay you any attention. Like, as long as you're not harming them or in their way, anything like that, hurting their kids, and people really don't pay you any attention here. And I guess you will come in contact with people that are hateful anywhere, but I hadn't really experienced that here. It's been a good experience for me and my family. And on the, I guess, next video, or whenever I do a video about moving with kids, we'll talk to my kids about like how that transition was for them and stuff. So moving on. You about to cook out? Save your money. If you a YouTube account, it's got like an automatic saving thing in the Google, and you can save without even knowing it, I guess. I don't know. Somehow I've got some money in there, and I don't know. But I'm gonna put my link in the bio. And last step, plan ahead as far as actually moving. Find out how much it is for a U-Haul. Find out how much it is for storage, if you want to leave your stuff there and come back and get it, or how you gonna do this. Like, you need to know. You need to know if you're gonna get a trailer, like to hook to the back of your car. How you gonna move your car? You gotta think about all this stuff. Like, are you gonna leave everything? Are you gonna sell everything before you go? Just gotta put all this stuff in step one, your plan. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned something, and I'm gonna make sure my kids don't do nothing crazy or break a bone.